Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be all about my May favorites, and I have a few products that I want to talk about here. Let's just get started because who knows how long this is going to be. First, I have a ton of lip products and I know this may be excessive, but I do. So first we're just going to start it off with this. I talked about this last month, but I really needed to share and restate again my love for this. This is the ColourPop So Juicy Plumping Gloss, and specifically I have the shade She's Here. This is just a beautiful, stunning gloss. It does have little fine glitters in it, and it's just so pretty. It's such a pretty like nude to top on top of anything. I did just want to mention that I have been wearing this a lot recently, and I've been wearing it on its own. So it does have enough of a color for me when I'm wearing lighter makeup that I can wear this on its own and it doesn't look funny. If I were to wear it like with what I have on right now with no lip color underneath, it would look a little off. On days where I'm not wearing as much makeup, I really love to wear this because it kind of doubles as a chapstick for me. It does have that really nice minty feeling. Like if you've ever tried the Buxom plumping glosses, that's the feeling it has. So it does that, but it doesn't hurt your lips, but it does make them look so juicy, which is the perfect name for it because it just looks so plump, so good, and just so juicy. And I've really been loving this. I did end up purchasing another one online, but it hasn't come in yet, so I'm still waiting for ColourPop to send me it. But anyway, this one I just did want to mention it again this month just because it's been one of my go-tos. Like I love it. Another gloss I did want to mention is this. This is actually what I'm wearing on my lips today. This is the Fenty Beauty Gloss in Fenty Glow, which is the normal shade. These are the Fenty Gloss Bombs. I don't know if I've ever really talked about this. I did purchase it during a Sephora sale, but just look at it. Like take a nice look. Look how good. Look how good my lips look right now. Is that weird to say that? I don't know, but like they're so shiny and it like makes them look so good, and it has those little glitters in there that just make it look so good, so good. It's more of like a brown, kind of like almost, it's still a nude, but it's like more of a brown nude on me, so it does add some color. So again, if I did want to wear it on its own, I could. Right now it's on top of a lip liner right now, so it's not on its own, but it's stunning. Okay, and then this, I did want to mention this. This is the Marc Jacobs New Nudes Sheer Gel Lipstick in the shade Role Play. This is good. This is really good. I probably should have swatched all these for you guys. This is kind of like out of my comfort zone a little bit. It's not like a color I would typically go for, but I love it. It's more of like a mauvey nude. It's just like got that sheer business to it that it says, and it's very like more of a glossy like sheen, cream sheen finish. It's just so pretty and it looks really good. I love to wear this when I have on like minimal makeup, so like brows, mascara, a little bit of concealer, and then throw on this lip just because, I don't know, I like the look of like a not nude lip with like minimal makeup, you know? Does that make any sense? But anyway, that's what that one looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch these two so you can see it. Also, I love the sound that makes. Did you hear that? So there is the Fenty lip gloss, and there is the ColourPop one right there in the shade She's Here. I'll do a close-up in a minute. So then I did purchase this recently, and well, not recently, I mean I've had it for a month or two, but I have really been liking it again on days where like I go to school, so I haven't been wearing like a lot of makeup recently. Just to be honest, I don't want to put on a full face every day. Like I just can't. So a lot of days I've just honestly been wearing concealer, brows, mascara, and maybe I'll throw on like a cream blush or something and go out the door. And I've either been using the So Juicy gloss, this one, or the Laneige Glowy Lip Balm, which I love as well. That probably should be in this video. But this one is the Revlon Glow Lip Oil in the shade Pretty Wicked. This is like stunning packaging, this like purple into the beautifulness. But this is just a glowy lip oil, but it looks so pretty on the lips. It does have a color to it, and it is more of like a nude color. I've actually really been loving, like I said, wearing this like just on its own because it feels really nice on the lips. That's it right there. It feels really nice on the lips, but also like I like to put it on top of a lip liner or like a lipstick when my lips are feeling a little more dry, because it is an oil, so it does nourish your lips and help provide healing to them, and I'm someone who suffers from really chapped lips. Here are the lipsticks and lip glosses up close. So again, this is the Marc Jacobs one, this is the Fenty Beauty one, this one's the ColourPop one, and then this is the Glowy Oil from Revlon. So still on lip products, but different kind of lip products. Next, I just wanted to mention this just because it's been something I've really been loving. So I did mention that I do suffer from chapped lips, and I purchased this recently, and I am in love. This has changed my life. This is the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask in Berry. So their glowy lip balm is one of my favorite things, but this actually is really nice. I love it because I put it on right before bed, and a little bit goes a long way, but I really have noticed a difference with my lips when I wear this versus when I don't. I am a person who used Vaseline before, and I feel like Vaseline is very moisturizing to my lips. It really helps, but this is like when I'm feeling extra dry, they're extra cracky, they're painful, they're peeling off. This just really helps and like makes a difference in my lips personally. So I would highly recommend this. I really love it. I want to try the vanilla one, just because like I'm obsessed. Also, I am obsessed with all things lip balm. I want to do a video on all my favorite lip balms, and if you would like to see that, let me know down below so that I can film that for you guys, because I am obsessed with lip balms. Like, I purchase all of them, and you need them all, and so do I. Speaking of more lip balms, I purchased these this month, and I have been loving these. These are the Vaseline Lip Therapies. I have two. This one is a limited edition one in the scent shade Pink Bubbly. It doesn't really smell to me like, well, yeah, it does, but it doesn't smell pleasant. So it is just like a pink in here, you can see it, but when you put it on the lips, there's not really a color. There's no like color payoff or anything. It's just like clear. So if you're looking for like a colored lip balm, this is not it. I put this on my lips throughout the day if I'm not like wearing a lip gloss or something or else. Or when I get home from school, I take off my lip gloss or whatever else I have on, and then I instantly put on this, just because it's so nourishing, it's so easy, and like I feel it moisturizing my lips for a long time. Like, I don't ever feel like, you know, when you put on a lip balm and sometimes you're like, oh, that's moisturizing, then 5 minutes later you're like, it's gone. Like, that's not how I feel with these. I really like these. And then I also got this one. This is the Vaseline Lip Therapy in Cocoa Butter. This one's probably my favorite. I love this one just because I love the scent of it. It smells very coconut. It smells like coconut vanilla to me. I know it's cocoa butter. Is that the same thing? But anyway, it is just like a clear in here, so this one's clear too. They're both clear on the lips. They don't give any color payoff, so if you're looking for that, again, this is not it. But these are just so nice. I love this one. This one's probably my favorite. I actually did get another one that is the aloe version, but I haven't used it yet, so I can't recommend that one to you guys. But I would totally recommend these two. I love them, especially if you want to get this one, the Pink Bubbly one. I would get it now because I don't know how limited edition is, you know? I don't know how long they're keeping it. But these are incredible. I love these, and I will for sure repurchase these. I mean, I have the big tube of Vaseline over there that was like way cheaper than these, but you know, these just smell better, and I like them better. Okay, so moving away from lips, I did want to mention just a few products that I have been loving. These are all things that I have mentioned before. They are rediscovered loves in my collection. So this is the Essence Fresh and Fit Awake Primer. If you've been watching my channel for a while, I mentioned this at maybe the very beginning, I think, or just like a long time ago. This is something I really do like. I have fallen in love with it again. It does give like this beautiful glowy effect to the skin. It does minimize your pores and just looks really nice on your skin. I do have oily skin. It doesn't help with my oils, but it also like, it doesn't make me super oily. There is what it looks like on the skin. It's just so pretty, so beautiful. It gives like the perfect sheen. It does have a weird smell to it though, I will say. It kind of my sister says it smells like pickles. I don't smell that, but it just smells like a weird smell to me. But it's really beautiful on the skin. I really love to wear it on days where I'm not wearing a lot of makeup, again, just because it makes the face glow. It's very like smoothing and makes me glowy. And then I fell in love with this again this month. This is the Physicians Formula, the Healthy Foundation. I love this. This is so good. I have mine in the shade LC1, which I'm pretty sure is the lightest one. Oh, I didn't even know this had SPF in it. Well, that's cool. I wore this the other day for the first time in a long time, and I just remembered how good it looked on the skin. I will say it is more of a full coverage foundation, so if that's not up your alley, then this probably isn't the foundation for you. This is just really nice. I love it. It made my skin look really nice throughout the day. It stays, wears beautifully, and I can't get enough of it. Next is a thing that I've loved forever since the beginning of whenever I discovered it. This is the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and I have mine in the shade Bronzer. Of course, you've seen this, everyone knows this, but I have just, I don't know, this is all I can use recently, and I'm not sure why. Like, I've just become obsessed again with it. It's what I'm wearing today. I just can't get over it. And the smell, I think it's probably the smell. It's because I've been so obsessed with coconuts recently, like it's actually a problem, and it smells like coconuts in a tropical vacation. Basically, you need it if you don't already have it. And then the last makeup item I did want to talk about is this. This is the ColourPop highlighter in the shade Here Kitty Kitty. This is actually what I'm wearing on my cheeks today. Look how stunning that is. Oh my gosh. This, you can tell, has a nice dent in it because it is well loved. I have just recently started using this again in my collection, and I don't know why I ever stopped because, as you can see, like, look at how pretty that is. That is not how intense it was this morning when I went to school. This is definitely a buildable highlighter. It was not that intense, but I made it more intense, as you can see, because I love it. And I can't get enough of it. And it's only, what, like $6? $8? Incredible. You need this too. And then the last few things I did want to mention are from Bath & Body Works. So I have 2 candles. This is the scent Copper Coconut. I love this scent so much. This was in my last video if you did watch it. If you didn't watch it, I have a semi-annual sale haul and I will link it down below. This scent is just, it's just everything. I am so obsessed with coconuts and it smells so good. The notes on this are raw coconut, sea salted shells, and soft amber with essential oils. I really do feel like it smells up my room. I can smell it in here, although my room is small, but like, you know, I can smell it down the hallway, so does that count? This one as well, I've really been loving, again, with coconuts. This is the Vanilla Coconut Candle. I have this in the soap as well, and I love the soap. And I had to get this one. This one smells incredible. Vanilla and coconut's my 2 favorite things mixed together. But the fragrance notes on this are Madagascar vanilla, toasted coconut, creamy sandalwood, and essential oils. If you love vanilla coconut, you need to buy it. And then the last thing that I did want to mention is this. This is the Bath & Body Works Bali Black Coconut Sands Fine Fragrance Mist. That was a mouthful. This is what it looks like right here. And the notes on this are not on here, so that's good. This is just an incredible scent, again, with coconut. It just smells so good and so nice. But I've just gotten so many compliments when I wear this. Like, I walked into school and one of my friends was like, "You smell so good." And I've gotten that a few times from people, and it just does. It smells good. Now, these don't last the longest on the skin, I will admit that, but I'm fine with reapplying if it smells like this, you know what I mean? Alright guys, so that is everything for today's video. I hope you guys did enjoy. Please do let me know what you have been loving this month down below, what I should check out, what I should buy with my money, because I want to go shopping. So let me know down below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. It means the world to me. I really appreciate it. And I hope you guys are having a blessed day or night wherever you are. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.